Cost-effective solution. This door latch cable repair kit allows direct replacement of the original faulty cable ends on certain Ford trucks. Saves money. Eliminates the needs to replace an entire latch assembly just because of broken cable ends. Complete kit. Includes 4 aluminum replacement cables ends. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of engineers and quality control experts in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Door latches often fail because of faulty cable ends, requiring replacement of the entire assembly. This Dorman OE FIX latch cable repair kit saves money by making it easy to fix only the failed pieces. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly for a 2002 F-150. While the fit test feature at top says it would not, this worked perfectly to fix the suicide door on my 2002 Ford F-150. No adjustments or drilling were needed. I have ordered another set to do the other side now too, since it failed at about the same time. Recommended.